Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. I hope you all are doing well, and I hope your trading journey is going amazing. In this video, I will explain the trades that we provided in our VIP group as well as in our free groups, and I will also explain the logic we used behind each trade. For those who are new here, if you want to join us, the link is available in the description. You can also message us on Telegram at Now, let's move on to the video. We provided our first trade on Coinbase OTC for the downside move. In this trade, you can clearly see a strong downtrend. The previous green candle took rejection from the moving average, which is why we provided a sell signal. As you can see, this trade resulted in a clear win. Next, we provided another signal on Netflix OTC for the downside move. The logic was the same. There was a clear downtrend, the moving average was acting as resistance, and the previous candle closed below the moving average. That's why we provided a sell signal in the direction of the trend, and we won this trade as well. Now, let's move on to the next signal, which we provided on Citigroup Inc. OTC for the call side. The logic behind this trade was that there was an uptrend. You can see that the green candle engulfed the previous candle, and after that, a red candle formed, which showed weakness before continuation to the upside. We provided a buy signal, but initially the price did not move in our favor. However, it took rejection from the moving average, and we won this trade from the moving average support. Next, we provided a signal on prone OTC for the call side move. There was a strong uptrend, the moving average was supporting the price, and there was also a clear support zone. That's why we provided a buy signal, and this trade was a clear win. After that, we provided another signal on Intel OTC for the call side move. The logic was the same. There was an uptrend, the moving average was present, and a strong support level was visible. Based on this setup, we provided a buy signal and won this trade as well. Finally, we provided a signal on AUDUSD OTC for the downside move. You can see a clear downtrend with the moving average acting as resistance. That's why we provided a sell signal in the direction of the trend, and this trade also ended in a win. So, we closed this session with 6 wins, all of them non-martingale trades. If you want to join us and take advantage of our signals, the link is available in the description, or you can message us on Telegram at @binary support. I hope you enjoyed the video and gained some trading knowledge. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any doubts or suggestions, feel free to comment below. Till then, see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.